Welcome to HK Luxury Auto, your premium destination for classic car reviews, rare specs, and timeless automotive legends in detail. The 1935 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck is one of the rarest automotive concepts in history, an innovative design that blends early German engineering with utility. Originally rooted in the development of the Volkswagen Beetle or Type 1, this pickup variant is believed to be a custom or prototype vehicle derived from early Volkswagen chassis work, possibly inspired by pre-war utility vehicle demand in Germany. While not a mass production model, this one-off or coach-built creation reflects an era where experimentation was key in automotive manufacturing. This truck starts with the unmistakable rounded curves of the Beetle's classic design. The front end retains the signature bug-eyed fenders, dome-shaped hood, and minimalist front bumper typical of pre-war models. The pickup bed replaces the traditional rear seating and sloped rear end, converting the vehicle into a two-seater cargo hauler with wooden slats or a steel load area. Crafted likely from hand-welded steel panels and wooden supports, the cargo bed is compact but practical for small deliveries or utility transport of that era. The wheel arches are rounded and symmetrical with traditional Volkswagen aesthetic, and the steel wheels are simple yet period-correct, often finished in black or white with chrome hubcaps. Underneath the Beetle pickup lies a flat 4 air-cooled engine, a technology cornerstone of early Volkswagen vehicles. The engine capacity during this time was around 985 cc to 1131 cc depending on the model variant, producing roughly between 23 to 25 horsepower. Though modest by modern standards, this engine provided reliable transportation with low maintenance due to its air cooling system, eliminating the need for radiators and complex water pumps. It was rear-mounted, driving the rear wheels via a 4-speed manual transmission. The vehicle's maximum speed hovered around 60 to 65 km per hour, ideal for early European roadways and consistent with the goals of creating an affordable, reliable people's car. The suspension system includes a torsion bar setup in the front and swing axle rear suspension, delivering a relatively smooth ride for the era. Braking was handled by mechanical drum brakes on all 4 wheels. Steering is manual but direct, with a thin-rimmed steering wheel and minimal assistance, placing full control and responsibility in the driver's hands. Inside the cabin, the 1935 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck remains utilitarian. It features a 2-seat layout with simple leather or cloth-wrapped bench seating. The dashboard is as minimal as it gets, with a single central speedometer, basic toggle switches, and perhaps a fuel gauge if present. The interior materials are rugged and reflect the economic climate of 1930s Germany. There is no climate control, no radio, and minimal insulation, staying true to the vehicle's function-first philosophy. What makes this pickup truck a fascinating specimen is its rarity and historical context. In 1935, Volkswagen as a brand was still in conceptual stages under the guidance of Ferdinand Porsche and the German government. Vehicles like this represent experimental engineering, perhaps developed for military, postal, or agricultural use before the Second World War began. There is speculation that such vehicles were used in small towns or factory environments for light transportation of parts and tools. The chassis was often based on early prototypes of the KDF wagon, which would later evolve into the post-war Beetle. Collectors and automotive historians today regard the 1935 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck as a precious artifact. If one exists in functional condition, it is likely one of a kind or among just a few handmade examples. Restoration of such a vehicle requires a deep understanding of vintage German mechanical systems and coach building techniques. Parts are exceedingly rare, and most restoration involves custom fabrication or repurposing from other vintage Volkswagens. From a design standpoint, this truck is a blend of pre-war utility and the emerging aesthetics of aerodynamic car bodies. It is compact, friendly-looking, and unmistakably a part of the Beetle's evolutionary tree. For car enthusiasts, seeing such a vehicle in person is like watching the birth of one of the most iconic automotive brands. In today's context, the 1935 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck is a perfect showcase piece. Whether used in vintage car rallies, automotive museums, or private collections, it tells a story of early engineering dreams that eventually transformed into global icons. The combination of unique body style, dependable mechanicals, and cultural legacy makes this vehicle a gem in the world of classic cars. Thanks for watching our detailed review of this rare and remarkable vehicle. For more reviews, classic builds, and historical gems, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the HK Luxury Auto family for more exclusive content.